everyone. In our last video, I explained what is variable and how it works in the Python. So today video, I'm going to explain what is a data type, how many types is. So data type is a very important concept in the Python. When you are going to give the interview, so interviewer will directly ask how many types of data types and what's the important of data type. So data type is built-in class object in the Python. There are seven types of object. So the first object is a text type under str, numeric type, sequence type, mapping type, Boolean type, binary type, and none type. So in text type, we come string. Numeric type, it will come integer, float, or complex. Sequence type, it will come list, tuple, or range. Mapping type, it comes with dictionary, and Boolean type, it's come true and false. Binary type will come binary type, and none type will come none. When we define nothing value and we define none, so directly it will give the output of the none. So I am going to explain the text type. So text type under, while I am declaring the variable a, and I am just inside the variable, I am just passing one string, str type string, and I am printing a. So while I am printing a, so I need to type, because of type function is a built-in function of the Python which gives you the output of any data type. So in Python, everything is everything is class. So when I am going to just run this uh, Python, so you will get a class str. So this is the text type str. So when then numeric type. So numeric type, while I'm um, inserting a1 into, so is this is the numeric integer type. So class integer is a 1, and while I'm creating the float, so float I'll want to write 0.1 and then run this value. Again sequence then complex one. So complex 1 plus I or j 7. So this is a complex type. When I run this, this will give the, sorry, this will give the complex number 7j. This will give the complex number. So now is a list, tuple, and dictionary comes under the sequence type. So when I come into the list, so list is defined for like this, where I am just 1, 2, 3, or mix or data type contains list like this, as well as we can define also 8. So while I'm running this code, it gives the list, and same tuple also contains the mixture type of data type, but it's not, it's immutable, not mutable. So we cannot change or add anything into the tuple. Then it will come into a range. So range will come like a range function, built-in function Python has. So range, we need to start from, suppose we need to print a 1 to 10 number. So we need to define 1 to 11. 11 one number, second 11 will be exclude from the range numbers. So while I'm just running this code, it will the class range, and the output number would be, so we need to define for loop for that, for I in range, and then we need to print of I, and I just close this, and here I need to pass I. This will give you 1 to 10 number, and one number, last one number, it's exclude. Like it is start from 1 and goes up to 10, and last 11 number will be exclude. That's why it's printed 1 to 10. So this is another example. So range you understand. So dictionary, you need to pass key value pair in this data type. So here, so suppose my name is Nikhil, and my age is 30. So this is a dictionary type of data type. So I'll find out with the using of type function. So it will give the dictionary type of data type. So here class is dictionary, is a dictionary object of class. And now I will give the Boolean value. So Boolean value directly you can find out with the using of like 5 is greater than 2. So 5 is greater than 2. So you will find true. If not, you will find false. Boolean value, then binary. Binary you will find like B of any string, P of any string, and then you need to just type it, type function or A. It will give the bytes of binary. And none type you have to find out and declare none here, then you will find out null. If you are not declaring any value, so you have to declare none. So this is the overall data type explanation. So most of the interviewer will ask you what is the difference between list and tuple, tuple and dictionary, or list or dictionary, and difference between range and dictionary. So this is the main data type like list, tuple, dictionary. This is the main data type into the Python. So most of the code you will see like list, tuple or dictionary. So this is the entire video for data type. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe it.